On your smartphone, open the Zoom app. From Zoom homepage, tap on your profile photo, tap on My Profile, tap on Display Name. And now from here, you can easily change your first name, your last name. You can also change your display name from here. Then tap on Save. So this was the first way to change Zoom name. And now I'm joining in a meeting. And as you can see, my current name showing test how to 1 minute. Now to change your name from a Zoom meeting, all you have to need, go to participants. And here from this participant list, you have to find out your account. Long press on your account. Tap on your name and tap on rename. And now you can easily change your name for Zoom meeting. Tap on OK. And we can see my name successfully changed. Thanks for watching.